The Supreme Court just issued a truly disastrous order that allows the Trump administration to send people to third countries where they've never been and might not have even heard of. This is the third country removal case where the government was trying to send people to kind of random countries without giving them sufficient notice that they were about to be sent there. Among the places the government tried to send people was Libya, specifically prisons in Libya, where individuals are at risk of being sold into slavery. They also sent people to Sudan, a place the State Department views as so dangerous, only its most critical personnel can stay there. As Justice Sotomayor's dissent noted, the government actually continued to send people to third countries after a district court had said, you can't do that until you provide them with adequate notice. They violated a court order, and now the United States Supreme Court says, yep, you don't have to follow that court order. Justice Sotomayor wrote that the government's conduct resembles an arsonist who calls 911 on firefighters for violating a noise ordinance. She also says the Republican justices seem to think the executive branch is harmed anytime it can't do something it wants to do. And she closes her dissent by warning that thousands of people will experience violence in far-flung places with no due process of law. Again, the government was trying to send people to Sudan and Libya, places they had never been, even though they would face severe risks of violence there. This decision is outrageous, and the Republican justices didn't even bother to explain why they are going to allow the Trump administration to send people to third countries.